O. Bautista.
Thank you, Kuya Rems. So I will be calling the names of the executive staff and area coordinators. For the executive secretary, Engineer Brian M. Barbasa. Master Anthony D. Hamiola, business manager. Public Relations Officer, Master Roberto Diana. Coordinator, Area 1, Master Brian M. Cape. Coordinator Area 2, Master Nestor R. Nacionales. Coordinator Area 3, Master Edward A. Soriano. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. After having been elected to the position of the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines Inc., Northwestern Region, Chapter, Saudi Arabia. For the year 2025, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully do and discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities incumbent upon this office, that I will abide by the Articles of Incorporation and bylaws of the Institute, that I will abide by the Code of Ethics and the Manual for Professional Practice, that I will do my duty towards God, my country, and my fellow men. And lastly, that I impose upon myself the aforementioned duties and obligations voluntarily and without reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Engineer Joseph Alan O. Bautista. This is an exciting time for the IIEE and WRCSA chapter. And we are eager to see the vision and leadership that Engineer Bautista will bring. Let's all support our new president as they embark to this journey. Together we can achieve great things. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to introduce the IIEE NWR-CSA 2024 President and the reason behind the Award of Excellence. Okay, 2024 Foreign Chapter Excellence Service Awardee. He is no other than Engineer Eli C. Ganansha. Congratulations, sir. The floor is yours.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Wow. Kailan lang. Anyway, good evening everyone and to all the officers, newly elected and inducted officers and staff. Congratulations. Before I deliver my speech, I see a lot of new faces around. So, welcome po ating mga visitors, mga guests. Thank you for being with us tonight. And before I give my speech again, I would like to give you a little bit information or what is IIE para mayroon na po tayong kaunting kalaman or idea bakit nandito tayo ngayon. Ano po ba itong IIE na to? Okay? So, IIE, or the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines, Incorporated, is the organization of electrical practitioners and the only accredited professional organization of electrical practitioners by the Professional Regulation Commission, or PRC. With PRC certification number I-IPO-016, it was founded in 1975 actually, and it was started with only 500 members, and now it has grown up to 80,000 members worldwide, nationwide. The IIE is committed to upgrade the professional credentials of its members through continuing professional development, or CPD, programs, enhance their social standing through the promotion of high ideas of integrity and ethics, facilitate advancement of technology transfer through a careful conceived educational and training programs, and also provide opportunity for regular interaction among electrical practitioners. The IIE has its head office located in Cubao, Quezon City, Philippines. And what about the NWRCSA? So, IIE NWRCSA is only one of the 104 chapters of IIEE worldwide. We are founded in 2017 with only 56 or 57 members. It is one of the 12 chapters here in the foreign region. IIEE has 10 regions locally sa Pilipinas. May 10 regions tayo doon. And 1 foreign regions dito po sa, mostly sa Gitnang Silangan. And sa Saudi Arabia, mayroon pong 4 na chapters dito. Mayroon dito sa Yanbu, mayroon sa Riyadh, mayroon sa Jeddah, at saka sa Kuwait. Mayroon ding IIE sa Qatar, sa UAE, sa Bahrain, sa Kuwait, Oman, Abu Dhabi, and then in Singapore as well as in Cayman Islands. So sa foreign, those 4 chapter lahat. So what we do in the IIE NWRCSA, we conduct trainings, seminars and workshops, community service, volunteering work, mentoring, review class for the special professional license or examination. We also conduct sports activities and other members' engagement. In IIE NWRCSA, we support each other and we grow together. I would like to, before I finally end my term or as a chapter president, let me share to you what we have done in this 2024. And let's start with the membership. When I stepped as a chapter president this year, last January, mayroon na po tayong 63 members, active members. Ngayon, sa tulong ng ating mga officers, membership committee, we have grown by more than 20% or 22.2% to be exact. We have 14 additional members. So ngayon, mayroon na tayong total of 77 active members. Okay? And then meron din tayong nag-upgrade ng kanilang membership from regular. Meron po tayong 2 live member na dagdag sa ating sa ating chapter ngayon. And mayroon din tayong tinatawag na balik membro program na ginanap for this year kung saan we encourage those na hindi na active sa chapter, mga naligaw ng landas. Hindi naman, medyo busy lang siguro. We encourage them to, again, to join, to become active in this organization. So mayroon naman po 3 na sumagot. And thank you po sa 3 na sumagot at nagbalik loob. Nag-activate lang ulit ng kanilang membership. And I'm glad and I'm honored also to tell everyone that right now in the IIE in WRCSA, we have 21 active PE members, 21 PE members, or professional electrical engineers. We have 22 registered electrical engineers and 33 registered master electricians, and we have 1 auxiliary members. A total of 77 members. And then, let's proceed with the chapter assets. Ano bang mga chapter assets na ito? May mga assets ba kayo? Mayroon tayong liabilities na lang. Mayroon tayong 3 classification ng asset ng ating chapter. Mayroon tayong pinatawag na fixed asset. Ano ba itong mga fixed asset? Ito yung mga material things na na-acquire natin through donations, na-purchase ng chapter tulad lang this year, for the first time, nakabili tayo ng mga gamit or mga gamit sa headquarters, mga aircon, mga kung ano pa, ng mga physical assets. Yun po ang tinatawag natin na fixed assets. So, if we give value to that, abot siya ng mga 6,000 reals. Sana matagdagan pa. Actually, nagtatanggap naman kami ng donations eh. Walang problema. Upuan. And then, our cash on hand. Nandito si ating DBM. Salamat sa pag-alaga sa ating we have reached the maximum, not only 100% increase, not only 200%, not only 500%. Guess what? This year, we have reached the maximum to increase our cash on hand up to 3,000%. When I started the chapter, we have only around more than 200 reals, and now we reached the maximum, we reached up to 7,000 reals. Saan po galing yan? Galing po yan sa mga members. Yun yung binabayad niyo sa registration, yun po yung mga binibili yung mga merchandise sa atin, dito po yun napunta, hindi po yun sa bulsa natin ng mga officers. So lahat po yan, galing po sa ating mga members. And as of now, dahil nga nakabili tayo ng mga ibang gamit, nakabili tayo ng laptop, as of now, ang cash on hands po natin as of November 30, nasa 4,700 reals pa po tayo. Mayroon pa po tayong pera. Huwag kayong magrata. Mga members, yung pera nyo hindi mawawala. Okay? And then, mayroon din tayong national fund. Ano naman itong national fund? Yung national fund, ito yung pera natin doon sa national office. Saan ito naman ito galing? Ito yung galing doon sa membership na binabayad ninyo.